Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Mrs. Buitenbeentje here. You guys are here for look number 2 of my fall fashion mood board, which is based on the Show Your Design workshop that is given by Seamwork. I created my mood board with the idea that I wanted to have a little more fun and bring in some colors, some trendy colors in my work wardrobe. Look number 2, I chose the sweater from Namedclothing and the skirt from Knipmode, which is an oldie but a goodie on this channel. The sweater is called Sloane. I made it did I make it a few times? I think this is my third time that I'm making it. It is easy to make. Full disclosure, it's already done. I already wore it on different occasions. It is just easy. It just has 2 darts in the front. It has a neckband, cuffs, waistband, the front and the back. That's it. No science, no nothing. It hits me right where it's supposed to hit me. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's just no other alterations. So the fabric that I chose for the Sloane sweater is this fabric right here, which is a tricot cable, which is a knit, and it has a little bit of texture. You see, it has a little bit of design and texture. It feels like wool, like it's knitted, but it's not. And I sewed it together. I really love it. The skirt is a newbie because I liked it because of the twist in the front, and it has a zipper in the back. It has, I think, 2 darts, or probably 4 darts, 4 in the front, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and I already cut it out. This is the fabric that I use. It is a ribbed tricot, so ribbed jersey. Brick is the color that they named it. It has some stretch. So the whole point is to have these two together. I have some beautiful shoes on my mood board that I bought by the brand Raid, and that is lookbook number 2. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. You have a great day. Bye.